My name's Amy Martin. I wasn't much of a people person, so DofE has really brought out my confidence, my creative thinking. I love being outdoors and I love leading groups and just being quite assertive with people sometimes. DofE has really pushed me because I've done things I never thought I would. I've been to India and I've seen things that have really changed my perspective on life, and it's really helped me think about my future. As part of my Skill for My Bronze, I learnt sign language.
Hello, my name is Amy.
Nice to meet you. I'm now studying nursing in university and I use it day to day on the wards with people who have communication barriers. You have to anticipate when a patient is about to deteriorate and what to do if they deteriorate and what to do before that. Sometimes you have to use quick thinking skills when they do deteriorate, and you've got to work as a team always and think outside of the box a lot of the time. So DofE has really helped me.
I'm Sam. I've been involved in the DofE now for 6 years. I've done all 3 levels. I've become a young leader. I'm now a regional youth ambassador, and I'm now hoping to do my ML, become an assessor and a leader.
In this case, so we have right of way, but it is nonetheless on private land.
I think I've developed a lot more as kind of a leader. I think I'm a lot more comfortable around other people. I know kind of talking to individuals that I don't know was something that I really struggled with before I became involved in this, which was really my first non-educational experience of meeting new people.
So
it's really quite important because it kind of sets you up to give yourself really high targets and give yourself really ambitious aims. So I mean, on day 1 you're basically told you can do whatever you want. Effectively allows young people to do things they've never done before.
the B road.
The DofE is made up of 4 sections: the expedition section, the skills section, the physical and the volunteering section. A gold is a residential section. Prior to doing my DofE, I was quite limited in what kind of things I was interested in. I wasn't particularly sporty, I wasn't particularly outdoorsy either, and through the DofE I was able to kind of work on some of those skills. For the first time actually what I got involved was drama, so I actually got to be on stage for the first time, and that basically has allowed me to kind of work on those sort of presentation skills and those leadership skills and teamwork skills I suppose as well that you actually get from working in a production, and without the DofE I don't think I would actually been able to have that opportunity. It allowed me to actually get involved with sort of outdoor education and outdoor learning. So I worked with an organisation called Denbighshire Young Rangers, and that allowed me for the first time to actually get involved with organisations that do a huge amount for the community, and I'd respected and valued and I knew a little bit about, but I never actually sort of pushed myself to actually kind of get involved with those opportunities.
It's structured, it's kind of they're on their own, they haven't got a teacher around.
I think the DofE sparks a lot of ambition by actually just engaging people in their community. That first push that the DofE gives, it basically means that you have young people that are a lot more confident actually engaging with their community, which from there makes them very ambitious, which is, you know, phenomenal.
My name is Llysgenhadon. I've been involved in TV since my bronze, which was when I was 14. I've pushed myself, I've gone out and done more than I thought was definitely possible. TV has given me the access to actually go out and do it. With my volunteering, I've been a member of St John Ambulance, I'm a member of my kayaking club, so I coach people with learning disabilities in my kayak club. I train people first aid, and I also treat people with first aid. What we're going to do, we're going to go around the edges first with this bandage, okay? We're going to do arm bandage for support, so there's 2 types of elevation. Through my Duke of Edinburgh award, I've gained these skills, and now I'm able to pass that on in what I'm doing with St John Ambulance. It has improved my confidence and my skills and how to apply it. As part of my DofE residential, I went on Ryla with the Rotary, and that's opened up now so that next year I will hopefully go in on the international camps and go away with other people from all over the world. So we can all year talk about, you know, what DofE has actually done for us and what a difference it's made. Before I started my Duke of Ed, I was maybe not switched on about these sort of things. I mean, certainly my outlook on life is very different from, say, someone that hadn't, I guess. I love it, and I want to keep doing it.
My name is Lucy and I'm 20 years old, and I started my DofE programme in 2017 when I completed my Gold Award. I was a really shy person before I started the DofE programme. I wouldn't talk to even people in my class. I wouldn't play games with people. I was very shy, very stressed and kept to myself a lot. Through the DofE, I became a part of the Regional Youth Ambassador programme, and through this I got to meet a lot of like-minded people, a lot of people who've been through the same stuff as me, and it provided me a safe space to talk and develop characteristics that help me every day. From a working class town and a single parent family to attending a Russell Group university, I went from thinking I'd never make it to making it. And I want to ensure that other people younger than me and people who may have felt the same, realise that they can make it and they will overcome their struggles. Confidence was a big thing for me, especially as I wouldn't talk to even people in my class, but through the DofE programme I've been given opportunities to address large crowds and do big speeches, and seeing the impact and the reward of that has made me feel really proud of myself and helped my self-esteem. Understanding what motivates me meant I was able to motivate others. I understood what worried me and what could worry others, so therefore I learnt the right thing to say. The expedition was probably the hardest part of the Duke of Edinburgh programme, but you pull together as a team and you overcome your struggles together, and it helps you build your resilience a lot.